Hi, my name is Thomas Pedersen. I'm a UK trained osteopath and yoga teacher. I qualified as an osteopath in 2002 and since then I've been working full-time in private practice in the UK. My love of yoga started many years ago, but the last 10 years I've really developed a nice personal practice. I wanted to put together a course of yoga lessons focusing on what I would call normal movements for normal people. I want to try and explore what normal movement is rather than try and rush into headstands, etc. In my clinics, I often find myself thinking, if only he or she did yoga, the problem would solve itself. The challenge is to get that message across and make people appreciate that yoga is for all and that anybody can do it if taught correctly and safely. I want to offer you a way to develop your own practice with a foundation in good alignment and sensible postures. I also want to introduce you to some basic breathing practice, which is a fundamental part of yoga as far as I'm concerned. This course consists of 10 lessons. Each lesson is typically about 75 minutes long. I find it's hard to get the full benefit from a class in less than this time. It's really worth doing each lesson a few times before moving on to the next one. Feel confident with the lesson before progressing onwards. We're going to develop some basic vinyasa flows, ending up with being able to do the sun and moon salutation. This will give you a foundation from which you can then develop your own practice. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, I think you'll find things here to help you. Before each lesson, I introduce specific movements that we're working on and discuss alignment and the purpose of the movement using my body and props to illustrate it. We then start with some settling breathing and gradually work our way up from lying to kneeling, ending up standing. Towards the end of most of the lessons, we then spend a few minutes doing some pranayama breathing and finish with a guided relaxation on the floor. I really hope you enjoy these lessons. A lot of work has gone into making them and I feel really proud of the results. Namaste.